Good morning all of you. Myself Soni Hire, and today we will learn about the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means arrangement of electron around the nucleus of an atom. Already you learn the structure of atom. In a structure of atom there is the nucleus. In a nucleus proton and neutrons are present, and around the nucleus there is the imaginary path, and this imaginary path is called as the shell or orbit, and middle part is called as the nucleus. This everything you learn in a structure of atom. So in each and every structure of atom, how electron it is the arranged, this one today we will learn. So what is the shell and orbit? Shell and orbit means arrangement of electron. This small circle part, it is the show that these are the electron. Electron have the negative charge. So nucleus, electron revolve around the nucleus of an atom. This is called as the shell or orbit. So which orbit it is the near to the nucleus? That orbit is called as the first orbit or shell. As well as this shell, it is the indicated by the K. After this first cell, next cell, which one it is there? That cell is called as the second shell. It is indicated by the L. After next cell is called as the third shell. It is indicated by the M. And next is called as the fourth shell, is indicated by the N. So mostly when we draw the structure of atom, so we will not call the first cell, second cell or third cell. We will call the K cell, L cell, M cell and N cell. So each and every cell there is the distribution or arrangement of electron. So how this electron it is the distributed in each cell? So it is distributed by the formula, and that formula it is the 2n square. So in this formula or by this formula, electron it is the arranged in this cell. How it is the arranged? This one we will learn. So N means it is the indicate the shell. So for example, K we said this is the first cell. So now in the formula we will add. So 2 as it is we have to write 2n, multiple sign we have to give. N means first cell we want to calculate. So here 1 we will write, and 2 it is the square. So 2 multiplied by 1 square means 1 square it is the 1. So by the multiple it will come the 2. So 2 electron it is the present in a first cell. Now in a second cell, same only formula we will use. 2 as it is we have to write, and this is the second cell. So instead of this 1 we have to write the 2 square. So it will come the 8 electron. 2 multiplied by 2 square it is the 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. Now same for the third cell, we have to calculate 2 as it is. Third cell means instead of the 2 we have to write the 3 square. 3 square it is the 9. So 9 multiplied by 2 it will come the 18. And the last fourth cell, what we will do? Same only 2 multiplied by instead of the third it is the 4 cell. So 4 square we will write. 4 square means it is the 16. 16 multiplied by 2, answer it will come the 32. So in this K shell, L, M and N, 2, 8, 18 and 32. This way electron it is the distributed. Means see, look at this structure of atom. This is the nucleus. In this nucleus proton and neutron it is the present. proton have the positive charge and neutron it is the neutral. So after the nucleus, which cell it will come? It's called as the first. After the first cell, which cell it will come? That is called as the second cell. After the second, which it will come? Third. So this way there it is the structure of atom we will draw. And this distribution of atom it is the take place in a structure of atom by the this formula 2n square. And first cell always we have to write the 2 electron more than 2 it will not come. If less than 2 it is possible, but 2 we have to draw in a structure of atom. Second cell 8 electron is compulsory it should come. If more than 8 it is not possible in a second cell. Below that it is possible. Third same, above the 18 not possible, less than 18 is possible. And fourth cell above the 32 not possible, but above less than 32 it is possible. So this way there it is the arrangement of electron. So one picture I will show. In that table or a picture it will clear. There it is the element, atom number and electronic configuration. And related this table, there it is the atomic diagram. Hydrogen atomic diagram it is the, this means first there is the 1 electron. Helium like this up to the neon, there it is the atomic diagram it is the draw. So this way there it is the distribution of electron in a atom, each and every atom, and by the electronic configuration we can able to draw the each and every atomic structure of an element. I hope maybe you understood. Thank you for me watch.